Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your warranty and gathering proof of purchase. This saves time. Next, identify the precise fault and note firmware and serial numbers so support can validate coverage. Once done, take clear photos or a short video showing the issue and your accessories. Make sure lighting and audio capture the defect. Finally, prepare the order ID and contact OnePlus support through their official channel. Request an RMA or repair authorization before dismantling or returning anything. Once support authorizes the warranty replacement, unpair the bullets from all devices and remove paired device entries so they reset for the replacement. Carefully detach ear tips and any non-permanent accessories. Clean the earbuds and charging case but avoid liquids in ports. Pack components in original box or equivalent padding. Include a copy of the RMA, proof of purchase, and your contact details. Then, follow the carrier instructions exactly. Affix labels, insure the package if advised, and obtain a tracking number for monitoring. When your replacement arrives, open it and test basics immediately. Charge level, pairing speed, left-right audio balance, microphone, and any previously failing features. You should run a short audio test and a pairing reset to confirm normal operation. If you still see problems, contact OnePlus support with the new serial and reference your original RMA. Escalate politely and provide fresh photos or video. As a troubleshooting tip, if intermittent audio occurs, try a different source device and cable before declaring hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.